In this clip, I'm going to attach the sticky part of the Velcro to the other side of the neck. So when it folds around, it catches like that. Remember, this is the outside and this is the inside. And I want the sticky bit on the outside away from my neck. So simply put it in the machine and forwards and backwards every time we start. Backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. And here we go. Just run the shape of the Velcro down the long side, down the short side backwards. I could do that forwards if I wanted to, but it just saves me a little time to run it backwards. Down the long side again. And down the short side. And my Velcro is now attached.